I'm going to show you how to use Chatgpt to create viral YouTube shorts. I'm going to be using my laptop, so I might be looking down over here. Feel free to get a notepad and a pen because I'm sharing so much goodness in this video. So what you need to do first is head over to YouTube because you actually need to search for what your video topic is. So this is step number 4. Head over to YouTube. I create a lot of influencer marketing content tips. So for me, I'm going to search for influencer marketing tips. So a pro tip here is that you can search, like add in your topic and then add tips, and that's going to help you come up with some really good ideas. So you can do that if you are a little bit stuck with what to search for. So influencer marketing tips, I'm going to hit enter here and see all the videos here that appear. You want to scroll down. So there's this first area where you see all the shorts, and then you can see another area here. So step number 3 is that you need to use your own brain power. So it's not all just on Chatgpt, and this is going to set you apart from other YouTubers. So I'm having a look up here. I'm just going to have a look at these video topics and these ones down. Oh, okay. Yep. So I like the video topics just down here. So I'm going to highlight these ones. So you do the same. Have a look and see which topics you like. You want to get 5 YouTube short video topics. So highlight and then open up a new document. And what you want to do is copy and paste. So there we have all those different topics here. Now, step number 2 is that you want to clean this all up. So let's just remove anything that's got the views there and tidy up the list here. So it's all neat and tidy. So number 1, I'm going to share with you firstly the basic prompt that you can use for your YouTube short videos, and then I'll share with you something a little bit more advanced if you want to see how you can really supercharge your YouTube short videos. So the more basic version is that you can use a prompt like this. So essentially I'm asking Chatgpt to write short video scripts and create 2 scripts for each of these topics that we've just found on YouTube. So you can see in the prompt that I'm being really clear with Chatgpt about what goes into a viral YouTube short video. So I'm sure you know this, that you need to have a really engaging video hook at the start. You gotta make people want to actually watch your video, right? So that's why I'm saying use this framework of an engaging opening hook. Then you've got the body, that's the middle meaty bit of your video of what you're actually sharing. And then I've also asked Chatgpt to include a call to action. And this is where it's really important. You want to ask Chatgpt to make sure that call to action is asking viewers to either like, subscribe, or even comment on your video. So let's use this prompt right now and generate these powerful YouTube video shorts. So if we go over here, so what you want to do is copy and paste your information into Chatgpt and click generate. This is where the magic happens. So all the scripts are being generated here. Look how easy and seamless it's been set out. So this is the basic prompt. You can see there's the opening hook, there's the body, and there's also the call to action there as well. And for each topic, we have a script for each. See there? Then we've got the next topic and we've got 2 different scripts. I like to request 2 different scripts for YouTube Shorts because it just gives you more options. There might be a script that you like or you feel more comfortable with, so you might want to do that. Or maybe you want to do both scripts, so I'll leave it to you, but it's just a really powerful way to work more quickly with getting viral video scripts. So the next thing I want to share with you is the more advanced prompt. So if we go back to the Google Doc here, we can see that we've got our original prompt here. Now we need to supercharge it. So to supercharge this prompt, what I would like you to do is add on this sentence at the end. So when you look at YouTube Shorts and you're scrolling, you'll see that there needs to be an engaging caption there, see there where the text is. And then you also want to have hashtags that are actually what people are searching for. So that's what this prompt actually outlines. So now let's take exactly what we've done. So what you need to do is use this prompt in Chatgpt. So keep open the same window, copy, paste here, and then, so this is where the magic happens with creating your YouTube Shorts captions and hashtags for each video topic. So you can see the topic here in bold, and then each script gets a caption and a hashtag. I'm gonna say they're pretty good, right? Pretty good hashtags and captions. So enjoy using these YouTube prompts. All the best and see you next time.